Today we're checking out what's inside the box of the Baseus BC1 extra bass, it seems, because it's Baseus BC1. This is a set of open-ear earbuds, and this is the black variant. You can also get in other colors. Now we're going to go over just a quick run over of the features and basically see what's inside the box. So here it says that they got an ergonomic stable fit, so this should be pretty comfortable. They have 12mm super bass drivers. So the thing about open ear earbuds is that they tend to sacrifice the bass because, you know, physics. However, technology has advanced very well, and other earbuds that I have tried have really good bass. So I expect that this is not going to be the exception, right? Especially if they promise, you know, bass right in the name of the title or the name of the device, super bass driver. So I would expect this to sound really good. They got a 38-hour battery, so I'm pretty sure this includes charging with the case in between uses. And they got 4 microphones for AI clear calls, so hopefully that's going to be the case. Now let's see what's inside the box now. Okay, we do have a little clear tape over here that I need to cut out. All right, so we get a quick start guide right at the top. And we got some really cool, really cute stickers. So I have checked out the MC1, MC1 Pros, and they all have the same set of stickers, so that's kind of cute. These are not meant to be put on or placed on the cases or the earbuds. Of course not on the earbuds, but not even on the case. It doesn't look like it was meant for that, but you know, you can do whatever you want with the stickers. So we get some a little booklet with warnings and whatnot. And there is no super quick start guide. I say that because the other ones have a quick start guide and a super quick start guide. It doesn't say super quick start. I call it super quick start because it's just a single page. Anyway, I digress. You get a charging cable. This is USB-C to USB-A. And we got the main earbuds right here. So I'm thinking that the BC1 is like the most basic of the earbuds that Baseus has to offer. So let's take a look at this really quick. A very nice, very slick, all black, and you can sort of tell here the Baseus logo. But other than that, very, very discreet, no chrome, nothing that's going to be scratching. So that's pretty good. I like this design. And let's see if we have any other features that we might want to address. It says that they got a rapid charge for extended playtime. It doesn't say how much or how fast, but there's a rapid charge. And they do have dual channel low latency technology, so they should be good for gaming. They got physical buttons, so we're going to check that out. And yeah, seamless multi-point connection for 2 devices. So this one explicitly say that you do get connectivity to 2 devices at the same time. So good. Now when we open them, I don't see any lights. I don't know if these are discharged or what, but they do have a little wrap here to cover the connection pins or the charging pins. Now this is labeled left, and I already know that that means that you cannot interchange the channels on this one. So let's just remove the other protective cover from the contact pins. And sure enough, this one has the right, and I'm pretty sure you cannot see it here. Maybe you can. And yeah, so this go here, and there we go. We do have charge in the case. Alrighty. Now, because these are labeled left and right, it means that you cannot switch the positions in them. And sure enough, the magnets do not allow you to set them incorrectly. Other earbuds that I have seen, other brands, they allow you to interchange the earbuds, and then when you close the charging case and leave it close for a few seconds, 10 seconds usually, then the case is going to reassign the left and right channels respectively. So this one always going to be left, and this one always going to be right. The benefit of that is that the physical button, these do not have touch controls, which I like. I like the physical buttons because you don't have accidental touches. And also the issue of some capacitive controls not being responsive enough or being too responsive. I always tend to have trouble with the capacitive buttons. So these ones have physical buttons, which is great. You will always know when you're actually pressing the button. And because they cannot change which is left and which is right, then it's always going to be at the top. And I just noticed that they have different colors, by the way. So the best way to know, aside from knowing that the button is going to be on the top, the right channel has the light gray button and the left channel has the black button. So really nice, really cool. So this is what you get in the box of the BC1 from Baseus. So I hope that this video was helpful. Hope to see you in the next one. And until then, may God bless you all.